Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I just wanted to go real quick and do this video on T.I. when he did the Red Talk Table Talk with Jada Pickett about his daughter and checking her hymen. Um, in my mind, I think T.I. think he sounded really good using all these big, sophisticated words. But this is what he really sounded like.
Allow me to partologize myself. Suppositorily speaking, my incarceration has forced, you understand, the ventilation of, shall I say, my dairy air, my mind to the prophylactic of the bowels of society.
But how would you support yourself?
A very vaginative proposition. My man, that is to say, prostitution pertaining to the cotex, you understand, of the argument. I myself have imminentized my liquidation.
Of course, you can't tell him that he didn't sound intelligent because he used those big words. Okay, guys, that's all I wanted to say. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for tuning in to my channel. Thanks again, guys.